Hey guys, so what you will need for this video is some jeans. I got my son's ripped jeans here. They were just playing outside and messed up their jeans and they can't fit them no more, so I'm going to use their jeans to make the earrings. And you would need some scissors and some needle nose pliers. Of course, you need a pair of hoop earrings, and you need 2 jump rings and some earring, the actual earring hook. And this is a hole puncher, the pink thing here, but of course you don't have to buy one. You could use a regular hole puncher or just some scissors to put a hole in your earring. You'll see what I'm talking about when we get there. And of course you will need a hot glue gun. So yes, make sure it's hot before you start. Okay guys, so what you want to do is start with a pants leg. You can just go ahead and cut the bottom of the leg off, and then just take this pants leg and cut it up. What you want to do is make some strips. I mean, they don't have to be totally perfect, but you can draw lines to help you if you need it. After you're done cutting strips, you just go to the top and cut those off. So here you go. Okay, so now what you want to do is take 2, grab your hot glue gun, and we're just going to wrap this around this hoop earring. So I have this salt and pepper hoop, and so yeah, you want to start it like right at the edge where this little hook is right there. You're going to start it in the inside, and that's where you're going to put the glue, and then we're going to wrap it around. So I got my hot glue. I'm going to go ahead and hot glue the earring right there. And I was kind of generous. Just going to spread that out some and just start it right there. So you definitely want to push down. Of course, the glue is hot, so be careful. Just like that. So you have your starting point. Then we're going to add more hot glue right under there and all around there. And we're going to begin to wrap it around itself first at the top. And then you get your strong grip and you continue to wrap this around. Ooh. So when you wrap, you kind of want to hold it at an angle, you know, not straight, but at an angle, just like this. So as you're wrapping, guys, you need to continue to add glue. These are so easy to make, and they are great gifts, and that's a good thing. So I'm just wrapping and wrapping. Be careful not to get glue on it if you can help it. Adding more glue. So you have to kind of be fast so the glue don't dry. And don't worry about all of the little ravels sticking out. Look how easy that was. Bam, jean earrings, that quick. So now we're at the end of this one. We want to take some hot glue, put it on there on the inside. Bring that little strip around, just like that. And we're going to let it sit. So hold it there, and then we're going to cut that part off. And so I like to go back with just a little more glue to lay the edge down, and it keeps it from fraying a little bit too. So just like that. And it's okay if you have some imperfections, but your earrings still will close. So it looks like that. So pretty, guys, so pretty. And now you can go ahead and take the scissors and clip all of those ravels off. They have something, I think a spray or some glue or something to stop the ravels, but I don't mind them because I like the rugged look. So yeah, how cute is that? Cute. Make sure you get all the glue off. Okay, so grab the other strips that you already have. And now we're just gonna split this in half. Like that. And basically this is going to be your earrings. So you're going to line them all up just like this. You can rearrange if you want. And if you have another pair of jeans that's lighter, you can put them all together to make your earrings. You can add different type of material. These are another pair I made. They have jean and I don't know what type of material that was, but it matched some outfit that I was wearing. So I'm just going to line these all up basically on top of one another, just like that. So it looks like a little stack you have there. I'm not sure why I cut this one so wide, but I'm just going to trim this little part right here off. Okay, and so I'm going to take my hole puncher and you can just slide it in there just like this, and then I'm gonna punch it and it creates a hole through all of these. So yeah, and that is pretty cool because I get to take the jump ring. You can open this with your hand, but the best way so you don't hurt your nails or your fingertips is to just take the needle nose pliers and bend this back. So you want to take this jump ring, hold it until you're going to see like a split. Where's this camera thing? You're going to split. You see that split right there? You can see it. Oh, you can't really see it, but it's right there. You'll be able to see this split right here if it's right in front of you. So my light won't let me be great today. So yeah, I'm going to stick one end through the hole here. And it sticks through all of those, which is awesome. Because now I can take my earring back. Not my earring back, I keep saying that. But I can take my earring hook and slide it on there as well. And now you need the needle nose pliers to close it. And if you don't have the pliers, you can just do it with your hand, really. So I'll show you. You can just close it on up just like this. And squeeze it together so the earring hook don't come off. But of course, it's better to have the pliers just to make sure everything is right. So you just kind of take that little circle, that jump ring, and close it. Make sure you're closing it tight. And there you have it. Your own pair of earrings. And of course, I have too many long ones, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this right across. And if you have a daughter, you can make her a pair too, okay? So you have Mommy and Me jean earrings. And look how cool that is. If you want to take it a step further, you can, like I said, add different strips, pink strips, all kind of old shirts, whatever you want to add. I added paint on these, as you can see. This is another pair I did. Don't know why the jean curling up. I guess I had it sitting here. I also did some black beauty earrings for an outfit that I was wearing, I think, for a protest. So yeah, they were all beautiful, all unique. Nobody have them but me. So yes, guys, usually when I have these little jewelry making classes, people ask, do you mind if we do this and sell the earrings? No, whatever you want to do, you officially now are certified to start your own jean earring business. Okay. Yes. So that is basically it. So I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you leave a comment below to let me know. The hoops are like one of my #1 bestsellers. Everybody loves the hoops. So let me know if you like this. And sometimes I would take another piece of fabric and go over this. So like that, you know what I'm saying? And that's just cute too. So yeah, you can do all kind of things. You could put red here, blue here, yellow here, red, blue, however you want to make them. All right. All you need is some jeans, any type of material, and hot glue gun. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I did not show myself today because I look a hot mess. As you can tell probably by my clothes, but it's all good. We all have our down days, and today is just one of them for me. Okay, but I'll be back tomorrow. So hope you enjoyed this video, and happy earring making, guys. Happy earring making.